यो फुलारी गुम्बाबाट तपाईँले सिकेर जानुपर्ने चिज भनेको एउटा सरसफाइ हो है। तपाईँले घरमा सुरुवात गर्नुहोस्, विद्यालयमा सुरुवात गर्नुहोस् र आफ्नो समाजमा सुरुवात गर्नुहोस् र आफूबाट सुरु गर्नुहोस्। पहिला आफूबाट सुरुवात गरिसकेपछि मात्रै हामी सबै त्यो सफा गर्न सक्छौँ, सरसफाइ गर्न सक्छौँ। र यसबारेमा बताउनको लागि हाम्रो योन्तन घ्याचो हुनुहुन्छ।
जस्तै कि मेरो अब नेपाली चाहिँ त्यति राम्रो छैन। इज इट ओके इफ आई जस्ट स्पिक इन इङ्ग्लिस? So, I'm Yunteng Gyaso, and I'm a student of this monastery. It's been about 6 years since I've been studying here. And right now I'm just going to introduce to you about the statues and the artifacts that's been made here. And right now, firstly, I'm going to introduce you to the Buddha Shakyamuni. As all you know that he's been born in Nepal and in Nepal Linguni. So he's also known as the present Buddha. Okay? And the one in my left, this one is known as the Buddha Amitabha. Amitabha means the past Buddha. Before this Buddha, he was the first Buddha. And the one at the right is known as the Buddha Maitreya, the future Buddha. Right? And he is the Guru Padmasambhava. His main place is located in Maratika. Karpingma चाहिँ नि टप Maratikama हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँको चाहिँ मेन एउटा स्थान जस्तो टाइपको। अनि the one over there is the first Kagyu lineage-को चाहिँ अब एउटा मास्टर हुनुहुन्छ कि फर्स्ट अवतार। जस्तै कि उहाँको फर्स्ट अवतार चाहिँ उहाँको नाम चाहिँ त्रिशुलकेमा हो। अनि उहाँको चाहिँ 16th अवतार चाहिँ उहाँको मिडलमा हुनुहुन्छ नि। मिडलमा भएको चाहिँ उहाँको 16th अवतार। And after that, after his, and he is the 7th present avatar right now, 17th one. And as all you know, the one there is the 14th Dalai Lama, also known as the ruler of Tibet before. And he is the fourth from the Samudra religion, the third avatar of the monastery. One he is the present right now. And evening prayers generally. The one at the back side is known as the twin card, meaning the white Mahakala, and it's also referred to be as the protector of a monastery, the protector of a lineage. And every Thampas here from here to over there is dedicated to the life story of Buddha. So starting from here, it's the birth of Buddha, and over there we have the one that you can do about the name by that's the first time you say that it gives the second material. And the third one describes Zenity. And after he left the monastery, right? After he left the palace,